How to block websites in Google Chrome Android. Now this method that I'm gonna be showing you doesn't require you to download any third-party applications. Now to do this method, just simply go to your Chrome. So let's try to go with facebook.com, for example. Now I'm gonna show you that it's not yet blocked. See, I can still access it. So you go back. So what you need to do is click on the three dots on the upper right hand, go to settings, scroll down and tap site settings, scroll down and tap JavaScript. Now add site exception. This is where you can add websites that you want to be blocked. So let's try facebook.com, then click add. So let's try to access that website here. So what you can see is just keep on loading or buffering, and that website is completely blocked. So that's how you block website on Chrome Android.